Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who has subscribed so far. If you subscribed today, I thank you too. Please make sure to push that notification bell because I don't just post Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM GMT time, that's UK time. I also post the occasional bonus video such as a collab or open invite with one of or a few of my YouTuber friends. So I hope you enjoy. Today we are going to be making a unicorn headband because one of my good friends, Jade, I'm hosting her daughter's 4th birthday party, and herself, Nelly, has requested that she's the only one that wears a unicorn headband. So it's really easy. All you need to have are some faux flowers, which I've just got a mixture. So like the big flowers, then like little roses. I've also got some green roses, faux roses, like silk roses, and then her favourite colour is purple, so I've got some purple flowers too. I probably won't use all of these, and then I've got like pink rosebuds too. You'll also need some white felt, so I just got this from Hobbycraft, and then you'll also need pink, which again is probably from Hobbycraft, but you can get this online as well. You'll need stuffing, again Hobbycraft or Amazon probably even does it. And then you need some sort of material for the horn. So I've gone for this, which is white with gold stars. But on the top of that, I've got this sheer fabric, and you can see it's got glitter all over it, like diamantes. So that's what we're using for that. And then this, I'm sure I just showed you this headband, but this is the headband I got from Hobbycraft. It was like £2. And it's clear, so it'll be perfect for her. And then you just need a glue gun, which is mine's here. Probably shows my dress, which I'm just going to plug in behind me. Get some glue out. And we're ready to go, basically. First of all, we're going to make the horn. So a lot of Nelly's party is got gold in it, so hence why this is really good, because it's got the gold in. And all you need to do is kind of make a cone shape. It depends how big your headband is to how like long and thick you do it. So that is probably perfect. So I've literally I'll show you what I've done. All I've done is literally roll up a bit of fabric, found where the point is, and literally just roll it up. And then you know where to glue along, and it will make sense once it's up. And then we'll do it on the other fabric too. Sheer fabric I think I got from somewhere in London, and this is online, so both online will be fine. I'm going to cut a bit of this. And then I'll glue along this bit, which actually is the, what's it called? Bias binding, not bias binding. It's thicker, it's like the edge of the fabric, which you shouldn't really use because it is that thicker, so it works well with the horn. So yeah, I'm just going to glue along there, which I will show you, but you're going to have to come over here, which is a bit darker. So I just run the glue along the whole way, and then we're just going to hold there. Obviously be careful because the glue gun gets hot, and fold. This is a bit tricky to do. Like so, and then we'll just cut along the edge. Like so, and if you miss any bits like this bit, you just need to glue it again. If you were just doing one fabric, then I'd advise you tuck that bit in first before you glue the first bit, but because I'm putting another bit over it doesn't matter. So now we're doing the same, but we're doing the sheer fabric over the top. So let me get my bit. So with the glittery bit on the outside, you want to get as much glitter as possible. So you just literally roll it around it. You can roll it around it a few times even, just to get the glitter in, but you want to get the glitter in as much as possible. So there you go, now you can stuff this. So all you need to do is get your stuffing. Okay, I'm going to just, before I do that stuffing, I'm going to cut just here. So I've left a bit longer than I need, but purely because okay, so I've cut this and it's just a little bit longer than I would need, but I'm going to fold it all in anyway. So with the stuffing, you can either use your finger or the scissors and poke it the whole way down to the bottom and fill it up. And so you can probably see that all the fabric's started to form and tuck in itself, but that is the horn actually done. And you just need to then, once you've like filled it all in, you just need to fold the fabric in and then glue it so it stays down. And then there's your horn done. You obviously will have glue on the end again once you put it all together, which we'll do now. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is work out what size you want your ears. So for me, I've done the horn quite big, so I might even cut that down a little bit. So the ears need to obviously stand taller than the flowers. I might not even use these pink ones, you know. She wants a lot of purple because purple is her favourite colour, so I went by purple as the main thing. So you want the white bit of fabric. You can either draw this out with pencil if you want, or just cut it into like an ear shape, but you want it longer because you're going to fold it and you want them identical. There's your two white ears, so now you do the pinks. And the pinks, you just need the little bit like cut in, so you just do like a little bit of it, but obviously again it's going to go to the bottom, so just make sure that it is got that extra bit in it to do that. Then it's dead simple. All you do is get your two white ears looking the right way, like where you want them, and then you literally stick the pink bits on to make the ears. Okay, then it's time to stick them all together. So put your horn in the middle, like where you think you want it anyway, and your ears either side, and then play around first before you stick it on if you want such big flowers. I don't think I want the big flowers anymore. I'm just going to go with the purples and the whites and the pinks that I've got. I had another white somewhere. And then all you do is glue in place. I would advise you glue the horn first and the ears. So just push your glue out if it's not working, but you might need help putting this on, especially if you're a child. Glue, glue, glue on the fabric, and then stick this in place. In the middle it should be. So just work that out. So you can see here that just doesn't seem enough glue, so I'm just going to run a line of glue underneath here. For the ears, you need to put them quite close to the horn, but what I would do is I would pinch the middle and glue them in place a bit like that. I don't know how to show you. Like, so you've scrunched it and glue it in place like that, so they're more curved. And it might be better that you do it whilst it's on the ear, but I've got that like scrunched and I'm just running the glue along the edge, and you just glue that in place. Like so. And now I'm just going to play around with the flowers and put them in place. So I've got quite a few big like purple ones, so just to like cover up the glue as such, I'd put them in, but obviously you don't want them covering the ear too much, so maybe you just need to play around really with them. But because purples have favourite colour, I've gone more for the purple theme. If you've got like annoying bits like that, you can just cut them off if they don't work with what you're doing. like it is. And then you have your unicorn headband. I will show you it on. Okay, so that is your unicorn headband done. I'll put it on for you even though it's not for me. There you go. The horn is probably quite long, so I may cut that down, but that is what it looks like. I might put a few more purple on, but yeah, it's too high. And that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you'd make this, what colours would you use. Please also subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.